Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Cece the Great. Welcome back, greats. As you guys can see, my dreadlock journey is going really well. I'm very excited about it. They have not matured, but they started to lock at the roots, and that's what I'm mostly happy about. As you can see at the ends, I kind of let them do what they want to do because I want to have goddess locks, if you will. So I'm trying it out. I'm only going to allow my hair to always be locks from the new growth until my loose hair. So usually I do like a twist out method on the ends of my hair, and it comes out really, really pretty. So usually I take my entire head and I twist it, and I keep it dreaded. Like I palm roll the top sections of the dreads, but at the bottom I twist it because I want it to be curly. So I'm going to keep mine like that for the foreseen future. So I'm going to do my makeup for you guys, but I'm also going to review this brand new hair that I got from Jenny, the owner of Jenny's Beauty Supply, which is a local and the largest beauty supply company here in Dallas, Fort Worth. So she gave me packs of hair. I've actually given out a lot of it to my students and other ladies that I know to model the hair. But anyway, so it's not branded, it's not labeled, it's not even priced yet. So I'm going to review the hair myself. I'm going to install the hair in my head. You're supposed to only need 2.5 packs of this hair at most to install, and it's deep twist hair. I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm going to install this hair over my dreads. So makeup first, and then here we go. So this is the hair. It's deep twist. It's very soft to the touch. It looks hard, but once you separate it, it's actually very soft. See how pretty it is? I'm going to put this hair here over my dreads. So here we go. Okay, so I have my hair completely braided, and I have tucked in the back braid that was swinging out with the crochet needle. And so I don't have that many braids because my dreads. So I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see how that works. This is my first time doing it. So this hair is just really gorgeous and pretty, you guys. I love it so far. It feels good to the touch. My hands can go straight through it. It's kind of fluffy. I kind of want to do like bobbling, but I haven't been bundling in a long time. So here we go. So the key to putting in this hair is you have to take small pieces of it. You can't do really large pieces. I mean, you probably could, but for the type of style that I'm doing, the smaller the better. So you want to separate the strands. That's what you want to do. That's what I'm doing